Dear CA Foundation students, my name is CA Shiv Kumar Singhal. I am very happy and pleased to welcome you here in this special session designed for CA Foundation students. I am going to discuss with you how we can crack CA Foundation in first attempt. This is your entry point, first level of CA course, and we all wish that we crack this exam with flying colors. We crack this exam easily, smoothly, so that it gives us good foundation. So I'll take you through how we are going to take this session. First, we'll talk about us, who we are, what we do, and how we can support you. We'll talk about CA myths, what all CA myths and fears we come across and affects our career. We'll talk about study secrets. If we apply those study secrets in our life, our journey would be much smoother and better. We'll talk about what all support systems we are offering to CA students, especially to CA Foundation. Question and answers, some of the question and answers, those are common. I'll try my best to take up all those questions here. Let's start one by one. We are a very old CA coaching institute face-to-face model in Gurgaon. We started our journey with the name Diwala Education in 2007. Since then, we are serving students not only in Gurgaon. We have 3 more centers, one in Faridabad, Palwal and Yamunanagar. Now in this special time where face-to-face classes are not available, we are offering our classes through a digital platform. So we have created a very new venture called Self Global School. Under that banner, we are offering all our classes into digital format. We'll talk about it little later. We are known as Rank Holders Institute. At our center, hundreds of rank holders have come up in last many years. Recently, I'll share about them in brief. We got a lot of awards for our work. We have faculties, those have been recognized by ICI as one of the best faculties of Delhi NCR. Our team is very large. We have specialized teachers at foundation level, inter level and final level. Our institute got awarded many times. I'll share a little more about it. And our digital wing, Self Global School, has created this entire model where we can serve all of you through this model and in the best way. We are going to talk about it at the end of the presentation. So let's start a brief about us, some of the glimpses of our recognitions we have got in last 10 years. Our rank holders in CA Foundation last attempt, November 19. Total 9 ranks we got, and if you see, almost all students got very good marks. We got more than 90 marks in each of the subject. This is a list of students, those qualified CA Foundation last time with us. We'll talk about now CA myths, fears, which most of the CA students face when they start their journey. And when we encounter them, it affects our journey. So first myth which we are going to discuss is that most of the students feel and even parents feel that CA is a tough course. And many out of that fear even do not join the course. So they feel that passing percentage is very low. Many people talk about different percentages. I'll clarify this once and for all so that our pressure with respect to passing percentage is released. So there are 2 main approaches related to passing percentage. One is people say that only 1% CA student qualify. So for example, 100 student joining CA course, only 1 student qualify as a chartered accountant. This is one way to look at it. I'll share with you another way, and I'll share with you how it is far better than many other courses. So let's take example, 100 students appearing in CA Foundation. CA Foundation results are generally Pan India 30%, 5% plus minus. So out of 100, 30 students would qualify, and when they appear for CA Intermediate, let's assume 20% students qualifying CA Intermediate on an average, Pan India. So 6 students would qualify, and when these 6 students, they appear for CA Final, let's take another figure, around 20% qualifying CA Final. So it means 1.2 students qualifying out of 100, those joined. So that way 1% is matching. But another way, which is more powerful way, is at every level of the course, 20%, 30% students are qualifying. Foundation approximately 30%. Intermediate 20%. Final 20%. When we talk about IIT, when we talk about IIMs, when we talk about civil services, you see for yourself what is the percentage of students qualifying that exam. So that way, CA course is not as tough as it appears. Although it requires a lot of discipline, but passing percentage is not that 1%, it is 30%, 20%. The another advantage is that you can reappear multiple times at all levels. Also, reappearing within 6 months. Many of the exams, they give chance to reappear after a year. So that way, it requires more discipline, more planning, commitment, but it is manageable. This course can be done easily if we follow the right path. Another area of fear and confusion. How many hours a CA student should study? People say 12 hours, 16 hours, many say even 18 hours every day. This is not true. Based on my experience, based on thousands of other experiences those have qualified, generally 8 to 10 hours of study is sufficient per day. And when I am saying per day, it means not 30 days in a month. I am saying 25 days in a month is enough. Because it's a long duration course, 4 to 5 years. And if you do this work, consistency with 25 days in a month, 8 to 10 hours per day, it is very much easy for you to qualify all 3 levels, because consistency is the key here. Some students, they do study 16 hours 2 days, and then for 4 days they are not studying. That won't work here. So and when I'm talking about 8 to 10 hours, I'm talking about including your coaching time also. If you are doing self-study, that is also fine. 8 to 10 hours is more than sufficient. If you are doing coaching also, because coaching saves your time. Coaching ensure that you make less mistakes. Many students ask that should we go for coaching? Can we do it on our own? Yes, you can do, definitely. Coaching is only supporting you in terms of making your life little easier. Teachers are not allowing you to make mistakes, simplifying concepts for you. But self-study is definitely part of both ways. Even with teachers, you need to self-study. Self-study is the secret of CA course. So I hope 6 to 8 hours, 10 hours of study consistently, 25 days in a month is more than enough. Let's talk about another area. People say that I am not intelligent enough to appear for CA. I am a hard worker, but I am not intelligent. See, the CA course is not about intelligence. It is about consistency. It is about studying for 4 to 5 years at a stretch. So it requires we to adopt smart study techniques, not hard, working abilities. Even with hard working, it won't work. Even with intelligence alone, it won't work. We need to follow certain disciplines. That is why this session has been planned, so we make less mistakes and we do smart studies. So with smart studies, anyone can become chartered accountant. Let's talk about another area, mathematics. Mathematics, most of the students, they do not enjoy this subject. Many even have not taken this subject in their class 11th and 12th. They say that, how we can cope up with mathematics. And many do not even, appear in CA because they are not having good mathematics. So I want to clear it here that mathematics is not impacting your CA studies. Mathematics is only part of CA foundation course, not thereafter, first of all. The second thing is, if you look at carefully, the entire 100 mark structure of mathematics is objective. The another point is, if you see the split of marks, 20 marks belongs to logical reasoning, nothing to do with mathematics. 40 marks belong to statistics, nothing to do with mathematics. And remaining 40 marks, if you look at it, the topics, half of the topics are related to class 9th and 10th. So that means 80%, 80 marks out of 100 is very comfortable for us. And if you follow the right way of study, then 60 out of 80 is easy to achieve. So mathematics can be managed easily even if you are not having mathematics in your class 11th and 12th. Also, if you are not good in mathematics, that also, you can manage this subject. And after foundation, there is no need for mathematics. Okay, another area, study versus social life or other life. People feel, and especially parents, they feel that, once you are in the CA course, you should not go out, you should stay, continuously studying at home, do not interact, do not go out, do not be on social media, do not go and talk and meet your friends. It's not true. The entire CA course is all about getting practical knowledge. Our ICI has, planned 3 years of articleship during the program, CA program. The intention of our institute is that students are exposed to practical environment. So if we remain isolated within our room, we won't appreciate the CA course in totality. So the only thing which is required is balance in your social as well as in your studies. If you keep the balance, then social is going to be fruitful. Social is going to give you a lot of support in understanding subjects with more clarity. Another area, fear of failure. Yes, 70% of students are failing every time, pan India. It means fear of failure is very much there. But we should not take it as a threat. Rather, it supports us in preparing better for exams. It supports us in remaining disciplined to the course. So it's an opportunity for us to plan well, study well, focus well, prepare well. So CA is considered as one of the Olympic course, not a state level competition or a national level competition. So just like, when we go for higher level of competition, we prepare ourselves better. So if we have some fear related to failure, it is going to help us. It's going to give us an opportunity to be more disciplined and more consistent in our approach. So these are common areas, those were affecting us during the entire period of our CA journey. So if we understand it well, it's going to help us a lot. Let's move on to study secrets. We'll talk about the fundamental secret which every CA student should be very, very clear about it. The context of doing CA course. Why we should do CA? People say that it offers secure career. Yes, it's right. Security of career is assured here in CA course. Once you qualify, plenty of jobs are there. There's no problem in getting job. Another dimension is that it offers us a lot of reputation. Our image, our social image, our reputation, society accepts us very well. It's very much true. This is also there. The third area is that it gives us a lot of money. Career is bright, we get good money. All three areas are very powerful, very good drivers to do CA. But I personally feel there are two more drivers. Those are essential and those are more deeper and more powerful. And during the entire period of CA journey, when we come across any difficulty, those two drivers would help us. One is knowledge. Our objective of the CA course should be to gain knowledge. Because once we qualify as a chartered accountant, thereafter, knowledge is the only thing which people relate with us. Knowledge about anything and everything. And especially in professional matters, CAs are known in their domain, the most intellectual person. So, if during the course of our studies, if knowledge remains our main driver, then we are not only going to enjoy the subjects, but it's going to remain with us rest of our life. Because thirst for knowledge creates interest in the subject. Thirst for knowledge, gives us better performance. Thirst of knowledge gives us better opportunity to serve our nation and our society. The last one, which is very inspiring to me and to many professionals, is freedom. CA course offers a lot of freedom. We can do anything and everything. We can get into jobs, we can do practice of many kinds, consulting, auditing, taxation expert, advisors, working with government sectors, private sectors, various sectors are open. In addition, we can do our own businesses. If you see, there are many CAs, those are working in different segments of society, in political domain, in media domain, in film industry, in businesses. There are very big posts, CAs are occupying. So freedom is another dimension which drives us, which should drive us for this course. So these were a few of the drivers. I feel knowledge and freedom are two big drivers. Rest we definitely will get. We'll talk about the study secret 2. This is very powerful and it is highly related to our studies, and our teachers must have told many a times, but now you are into the professional course and we'll talk at length how we can summarize and simplify our preparation, our practice, our performance and perseverance. 4 P's. This is based on various people's views, their experiences. So I have collected everything into these 4 buckets. How do we prepare well? How do we practice? How better we can perform? And role of perseverance in CA course. So I'll talk more about it one by one. If we follow all these 4 P's in our life, be it foundation, inter or final, our journey of study would be very smooth. As our results are going to be extraordinary. So let's talk about the preparation first. P1, understanding. Many students, we know that there are different learning styles. People, study with different ways. But I am going to talk about common areas. One is the understanding. It means what? Understanding the concept. Concept based on the need, because everything which has come as a subject has come because there was a need. One of the subjects which you are going to study for the first time here is laws. Multiple laws you are going to study. Every law has come because there was a need. If we understand the need, then we can appreciate the law. We can appreciate the subject or the topic. So if our preparation starts with understanding the concept or the need, it helps us remembering also and performing. Summarization. Whatever we do, if we do not summarize, if we do not prepare notes, then the whole effort of learning go in vain, because exams are always couple of months later. So if I am studying a topic today, I have to appear in exams after few months. So short note preparation is a very powerful technique. Many students do not like preparing short notes, I know, but there is no other way. We should do, because in exam times and during our revisions, it is going to help us immense. Balancing. When I am talking about balancing, I am talking about balancing with respect to subjects. All subjects should be studied with equal weightage. We cannot qualify if one subject is strong and another is poor. At the same time, we should take care of our health, physical health. We should take care of our mental health. We should take care of our social life. So we should take care of our all aspects in addition to our studies. So if we balance our life, then our results are going to be better, our success is assured. So if we follow three things at all levels of exams, our preparation would be much stronger, much powerful. Let's talk about practice number 2, which is our P2, monitoring. We do things, but at times during the process we miss out that where we stand right now. We need a progress chart for that. So for each and every subject, you need to create a progress chart where you can see that, with respect to a topic, with respect to a subject, where you are standing, how much you have covered, what is your confidence level in each of the topic. So if you create a progress chart, then that would help you, would give you a push to keep a balance, in your studies. So progress chart is very, very much essential in this journey. Another, the big dimension is revision. Scientists says that if we do not revise within 24 hours, our brain loses out 70% of the knowledge, minimum 70%. And it goes up to 80 and 90% if we do not revise within a week and within a month. So first revision has to happen within 24 hours. So make sure that if you study 10 hours, you spend 8 hours in studies and 2 hours or in revision. If you study 8 hours, then at least 6 hours in studies and 2 hours in revision. Every day revision, every week revision, every month revision. This kind of revision is going to help us a lot in our exams. And the third dimension is visualization. If you see that when you appear in exam, when you are in the examination hall, only your mental revision, remembrance would help. So why don't we practice it every day? That is called mind power. So when we revise, we can build in the visualization power. We can do mental revision, we can do revision with writing, we can do revision with many things. But if we focus on mental revision, that is going to help us in exams also. So my suggestion is, it has helped me a lot in my career, mental revision. So try it out. You may find initially some difficulties, but there is no choice, because in examination only mental revision is going to help you. So I hope if you follow all these three, parameters of practice, you would gain success. The third is performance. Whatever you have done is not going to help unless you perform. The first mantra is test your preparation, test your revision through tests and assignments. Many students do not like tests and assignments, but there is no way. I already told it's an Olympic game. It's competitive. It's tough in the sense that many are trying their best. So we have to align ourselves better. We need to perform better, present better. We need to ensure that our timings are also correct. So to ensure that we do to the best of our ability, we have to do and appear for tests and assignments. We need to take care of our time and management. Speed, accuracy comes with practice. We need to write down. When we appear for various, small tests and assignments, our speed and accuracy is ensured. Our presentation also improves. In examination, we know that stress comes up. We feel a lot of stress, and due to stress, many mistake happens. At times we miss out on a particular question. We do small silly mistakes. But if we appear for mock tests, mock exams, before exams, multiple mock tests, then it gives us the similar environment, exam environment, and examination hall does not bother us much. So I personally feel that test assignments, mock tests, mock exams are essential for you to perform better in your examinations. CA course requires you to have a lot of perseverance. If for any reason, if we are not able to qualify at any stage, then, or if we are not getting desired results while we are, preparing, practicing and mock tests, repeat the entire cycle. Of first 3 P's, continue to repeat till you get success. And it requires lot of consistent effort and discipline. So I hope all these 4 P's would help you in achieving your desired results. Your journey would be smooth, your success would be ensured. Let's talk about this special time, special ways, because we know in this time classroom teaching is not available. We need to go digital. So our digital wing has prepared a very comprehensive support system for all of you. And one of the aspect is live classes. In this time we have no option other than live classes. And I can assure you our live classes are the best. Our faculty team is one of the best, one of the best team and one of the best team to train the team, and the entire team is highly trained on digital because we were working on digital platform for last 3 years. So with live classes you need for revision recorded lectures, because live classes are just like classroom classes. So at times if we miss or if we need to do enough practice, we need recorded lectures. So at our platform, recorded lectures are available within 24 hours of our live classes. You can do enough practice. The third dimension is online test series. As we talked in 4Ps, test series is very much important. Quizzes, assignments, environment where you can check where you stand. So the third area is also very strong at our platform. We have series for each topic, each subject, and multiple test series. Till your exams are over, we are going to support you. The fourth is very unique and rare, and generally we miss the fourth one in our CA journey, which is performance tracker. So there is a dedicated team available, including me. I would be heading the team, where we are going to continuously monitoring you, counseling you, tracking you, and looking at your performance till your exams are over. So all 4 these services are available under our platform by experienced teachers, and I'm going to introduce all my teachers in next slide and our services. So to give you a feeling of our services, we have created a complete digital solution, and we are going to start demo classes from 1st June 2020. So in this demo classes you will meet our best teachers, and these demo classes are free. So every CA foundation student can be part of these free classes. For that you need to do registration, because without registration you cannot do. So our platform, Self Global School, you can go there, you can register yourself for demo classes, and we'll share with you the entire schedule. Which teacher would teach on which day and what timing. Everything will share on that. So register for free demo classes for a week. 1 week you'll get these classes. Once you meet all the teachers and experience their surveys, then you can register for the course. When we designed our course fees, it was 40,000. But considering that it's a special time, the entire team has taken decision that will reduce this fees drastically so that every student can afford from any location of the India. Even many students are outside India studying. So we are offering our classes at a very reasonable price now, which is 20,000. So within 20,000 you will get all our 4 services, which is live classes, recorded lectures, online test series, and counseling tracking platform. So everything within this 20,000, and our services are available till your exams are over. Our faculties are best faculties of Delhi NCR. So many of our faculties are award winners by ICI. They have been recognized by ICI. They are teaching at various platforms, and most of our faculties are carrying more than 10 years, 15 years of experience. So let me introduce my team here, our faculty team. Professor Kapil Dhand is having more than 20 years of experience teaching economics and logical reasoning. He is outstanding in his field, and thousands of students got benefited with his service. CA Yogesh Kadaria, he teaches accounts and taxation to CA foundation and intermediate student. He's one of the best teacher. He teaches with such a ease. 100% students are benefited with his classes. He is liked by them, everyone. CA Mohit Arora, having a lot of experience teaching accounts and costing at various levels of CA, foundation, inter, and final. He is also another one of the best faculty we have. CA Dharmender Madan, he is phenomenal. The way he teaches you law, it is a fun. Law is a fun for him. He gives a lot of practical examples. There would be a time then you will say that you are enjoying laws. So laws and commercials he would take care. He has been recognized by ICI also, and he is one of the best faculty of Delhi NCR. Professor R.P. Gupta, one of the best faculty of Delhi NCR, Maths and Statistics he would be teaching, and his short keys, short formulas in mathematics are amazing. Students have scored very high marks in this subject. Even students, those were not good in maths, they scored very, very high marks. Mrs. Pallavi Khurana, she is a corporate trainer teaching CA students for last 10 years. She is outstanding in her work, and her students have also got high marks in her subject. Professor Mahesh Yadav teaching mathematics and statistics for last 20 years. We got more than one teacher here to teach, especially mathematics and accounts, so that we can deliver and offer wide range of services to students. So our entire team is highly experienced and qualified. And at the end, I am available with my team to monitor you, guide you, counsel you throughout your journey of CA. I hope when you join demo classes, you will experience the quality of our work, commitment of our work. I would request you to enroll yourself. For more details, you can speak with our team. You can email us. You can visit our YouTube channel. You can visit our website. Our registrations are possible at our website, selfglobalschool.com. For more inquiries, you can always speak to our team. I'm sure this interaction, this session would help you in doing better in your exams. I look forward to meet you in our demo classes. Thank you so much for your listening, and all the best for your career. Thank you so much.